Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
Question number 2. Find the total surface area of a cone if its slant height is 21 meter and diameter of its base is 24 meter. Find total surface area हमें निकालना है. Let us see. The formula of total surface area of a cone is equal to pi rl plus pi r square. So pi and r ये हमें कॉमन निकाल लिया. So we get l plus r behind. So 22 into 7 upon r is 12 into l is 21 plus r is 12 again. Fine. So it is equal to 22 upon 7. इसको further multiply करने के बाद we get 1244.57 meter square as the total surface area.